Hey guys, today we're doing a synthetic engine oil and filter change for a 2011 Honda CRZ. First, we're going to jack up the car. The CRZ is a little bit hard to jack from the front because the front bumper is so low, so I followed the guide on the CRZ forum to jack up the car. The front jack point is between the two wheels. Make sure you also set up the jack stands once you have the car jacked up. Pull the hood release lever. Lift up the hood and support with a hood prop rod. Under the car, there is a plastic cover. We will need to remove 4 screws. You can use a Phillips or a flathead screwdriver, but here I use a drill to speed up the process. After those are removed, coming in from the front of the car, it should look like this. Remove the drain bolt with a 17mm wrench. Let the old oil drain and position the drain pan to try and avoid spilling. Use a clean paper towel or rag, wipe off any metal shavings and old oil from the drain bolt, then replace the old washer with a new washer. Replace the drain bolt and then tighten it with a 17mm wrench. Also clean up the area with a rag or paper towel. Remove the old oil filter with an oil filter wrench. Use a finger to lubricate around the gasket, then fill the new oil filter with oil. Clean the oil filter area, then screw on the new oil filter. Do not over tighten. I have no oil leak issues with hand tightened oil filters over the years. Use a funnel, fill up with 3.8 quarts or 3.6 liters of 0W20 oil. I'm using the Mobil 1 0W20 Extended Performance for this oil change. Remove the funnel and replace the oil filler cap. Reinstall the main plastic cover. Lower the car. Check the oil level. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.